Welcome to Kids Wonderland.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Wonderland. I am your captain, Captain Wonder, and today we have Ashley. The Wonder Kids will be playing with us. So last episode, do you remember that we have made the spoon sets of pets? Ashley, do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are going to do a combined toys review. So we will open up the new toys and we still will play with the old one. So we will play together. And do you remember who is this?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Yes, today's Cinderella. And George, who is this?
Rabbity's mom.
Rabbity's mom. Okay,
Because Rabbity is sick today.
Okay, Rabbity's mom is going to play with us today. Okay, let's begin. Ashley, so now we are going to open these toys. So move this over to the side first.
Cinderella.
Okay, Ashley, can you move it? Okay.
Try to attract it.
Okay, so Cinderella will sit at the side and we will do the toys review first. Okay, let's open it and have a look at it.
Oh no.
There's so many things inside. Let's have a look.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at this. It's so heavy.
Is it a lizard?
Yes, and
There's some colors over here.
yeah. Let's go to the track then.
So we have take everything out and this is how we play. So when the lizard touches the colors.
Yes. No, you have to press this button like that and then put it like that.
Okay, then it may change colors.
Yeah.
That is what the catalog says. Let's try it out. Ashley, do you want to turn it on? Whoa!
Let's play some games.
Let's play some games. Okay.
Let's go.
Ashley, do you want to go?
Let's go wild counting colors.
Okay, counting colors.
Find the color yellow.
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 Yellow. Touch the yellow. Is it okay now?
Yes.
Then the next one.
The next one.
How do we do it? Then or maybe when you press the button on yellow, press it. Can I press it?
Upset. Okay, let's color brown.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Yeah.
Maybe we have to off it again.
Oh no, the first one should be the first one. That's so we'll switch to the first one.
Let's learn colors!
Yeah.
Chameleon is my name. Changing colors is my game. Let's
Whoa.
play a color name game. Just
Okay.
look around and scan any color you can find. Ready? Go!
Ready, go. Go to yellow.
Let's play a color name game. Just look around and scan any color you can find. Can you please move my paintbrush closer and scan that again? Red!
Red, yeah. Wow, it turns red, guys.
How about we try
Wait.
this box?
Let's play a color name game.
How about like
Just
that?
look around and scan any color you
You
can
only
find.
can scan the.
I know how.
Come, try the
How about-
orange one. Orange one.
How about we try to scan the table? What?
Hey, the table is not purple. This is purple. Try. Pink. Come, scan it. Scan it. Come.
Purple!
Purple, yes, that's correct. How about black?
I know how to do it.
Oh, that's black. Like my eyes.
Wow, okay. Guys, what is this color?
Pink. It's
Pink.
my favorite
Okay,
color.
let's try pink. Come on, Lizard.
Pink.
Yeah, pink.
How about we try the table?
Let's play a color name game. What? Can you please move my paintbrush?
Okay, next one. What is this color? Brown.
Let's play. That's brown.
Yeah, brown. That's correct. Okay, this one.
That's that.
What is this?
Let's play a color name game. Just look around. I need some help with this one. You found pink.
What?
What? Should be white. Red. Try red.
Red means stop.
Yes, you got it, Lizard.
That's blue.
Whoa. How about orange?
Let's play a different game. Let's mix it up. Ready or not, let's play some games.
Let's play some games. Okay, orange.
Let's go wild counting colors. Ready, find the color of pink.
Pink.
1, 2,
2.
Oh, wait. Ooh. This game is not working, guys.
let's learn.
How about we play another toy now? This lizard is so crazy.
Don't worry. We put the colors at the side, okay? Then we will combine the two toys together. Hi guys, we're back. So we have got the Spoon Pets house. So now today we're going to
No.
play together.
Okay, let's knock on the door.
Knock on the door.
Whoa.
Whoa, okay. We will see who will visit the Spoon Pets family today. So we combine some
It was
toys.
fluffy.
We will put all the colors
This was the background.
onto the lawn.
So guys,
Let's install the slide first.
you see? That day I just find out it can move by itself.
Whoa.
It can go up the slide by itself, you guys see. It's so slow.
It's climbing. Up.
Maybe it needs to climb up by itself. I think they can't. Maybe. Oh, you only can swim around. Okay, now Fluffy will meet. Her friend is coming around 5 minutes.
Yes. Where's my friends?
The first one, her friend is George.
George.
Hello. Ups. Hi. Hi, Fluffy.
Hello.
Remember we are going to school today?
Where are we going today?
To school. We just need to wait for Cinderella and
Cinderella. Okay.
Rabbity's mom.
But do you know where's Cinderella?
Oh, sorry. This is Rabbity. Rabbity have grown really tall. This is the spoon who eats food. So we'll put it in here. And then we will put Rabbity here, waiting. And then Cinderella will
Where's Cinderella?
come here soon. Cinderella is just now
Let's wait for
Hello,
Cinderella.
guys.
Hello.
We have to take off our shoes first, remember?
Okay, George is sliding down the slide. Yay.
Oh no! Oh, please drop into the water.
George is swimming too.
Cinderella's glass slipper, they don't break because it's glass.
Keep her glass slippers.
Nice.
Don't break it. Okay.
How about we take off all our clothes and swim? No, I'm going to change into my diving suit. Wait.
Is Cinderella changing?
I changed. I'm changing to my diving suit. This is not her diving suit. This is just her outing clothes.
You want to change her to the swimming clothes?
How about we take
Swimming
off
suit.
all her clothes?
Okay. Okay, Cinderella's going to swim.
Okay. She's now ready to swim.
Is ready to swim?
Yeah. Oh no, my purse. Let me swim to here. Come on. Let me relax here first. Swimming. Let me go swim too. Yay! So fun. Rabbity said, I'm going to sleep. It's night time now. Tomorrow they need to go to school. Guys, it's time to sleep. Okay, let me go and change back into my outing suit and then we will sleep. Right, Captain Wonder?
Yes.
Because
She
it's
have
late.
to put on her clothes. She cannot be naked.
Yes. So
Remember everyone, you have to put on your clothes to sleep. If not, you will catch a cold.
yes. Cinderella that day she have a cold, that's why she can't come. Oh no, her glass slipper has dropped into the pool. Let's pour the water away. We pour the water away. Now let's go to sleep. George said, I am sleepy.
You're sleepy.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone is sleeping now.
It's morning.
How about we don't wake everyone up?
It's morning, but they are at primary school.
You're going to primary school?
Yes. Oh no, I want to sleep some more.
Okay.
Yeah, I sleep enough. That time you slept at 6 o'clock. What?
Wee! Everyone is going to school now.
Okay, they are going to take the school bus and come back and then another day. This will be a long time, guys. So let's wear our shoes and go to school and play. We will play for the whole day at primary school. It's now 7 o'clock, guys. Now they are going to go to school. Okay, guys, let's go to school. See the school bus. She no need to bring her purse. Today is their playing time. Oh yes, we came back. Now we will go and play and take a bath and go to sleep, and we will make the end of the video.
Okay, so everyone is going to bed. So they have a happy and joyful time today. They enjoyed their life just like you Wonder Kids. Remember to enjoy your life and stay happy. Remember to share some love to the world.
I think finished the shower already. Let's go to sleep.
Okay, sleep. Okay, shh. We will have to keep quiet because everyone is sleeping now. So we will see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe.
Hi, Fluffy.
Yes, Fluffy. Okay. So Fluffy is going to bed too. So remember to subscribe and like our video. Remember to subscribe. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.